Now, babe, I want to show you Nigeria currency from the higher denomination down to the lowest currency that Nigerians are using. You get what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yeah, this is 1,000 Nigerian naira. This is the highest currency of Nigerian money. 1,000. This is 500 Nigerian naira. This is the second highest currency of Nigeria. This is 200. This is the third in the highest currency of Nigeria naira. Then this is 100 naira. This is 100 naira. Okay. From 100 naira we got 50 naira.
50 naira.
50 naira, yeah. We also have 20 naira.
Okay.
20 naira. And this is 10 naira. Second to the last Nigeria currency is 10 naira. This is the lowest currency of Nigeria.
Okay.
We call it 5 naira.
You don't have a like a $1 bill?
We have coin, but
We
coin
have
is not
coin.
in circulation now.
Let's
Okay.
capture, yeah.
We have coin, but coin is not in circulation now.
Yeah, coin is not in circulation.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, the
So
lowest
these are the
Nigerian
ones
naira-
that are in circulation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The lowest Nigerian naira we use now is this 5 naira. But we also have coin. You get what I'm saying? I didn't plan this for the onset. I could have got a coin so you see how it looks like.
Right.
Okay? So I'm also going to give you this. You get what I'm saying? So you have it in your house, you know the currency of the country you get married to.
Yeah.
Because now, like I said, you are 80% Nigeria, 20% America. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Thank you.
everything we are doing is the memorable stuff we're doing. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
That's
have
it.
OCD.
Yeah.
You have a lot of money
A lot
there.
of money. You get what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, babe.
I'm
I-
taking money home.
Yeah.
Nairas.
I believe you must have learned a lot since you've been here
Yeah.
for just 21 days. It's gonna be easily
21 days is gonna. It looks like 21 years.
yeah,
The
a lot of
experience you
experience.
grab